Hey y'all, welcome back to Looks by Naheemah, and it's your girl Naheemah back at it again with another video. And it's back to school season, y'all. Either you're starting high school or, in my case, going back to college. And you'll quickly find out that after the first week, there is no time, sis, for 1 hour glam routines. Maybe you can, sis. Maybe you wake up at 5 or 6 a.m. and you can do it, and more power to you. But for me, I know that I would much rather have my sleep. So for those of y'all who are short on time in the morning, I'm gonna bring you guys a quick and easy 10-minute makeup routine. And yes, I did say 10 minutes. And I'm gonna be using only affordable makeup products. So there's gonna be no high-end in this video. Sorry, high-end lovers. I know, I feel you, but this video is gonna be for students who are on a budget like me. This is also gonna be a great look for beginners who are just starting out in makeup and who need an easy look to be able to recreate for their everyday. And speaking of beginners, be sure to look out for my next upload, which is going to be a beginner makeup starter kit. In that video, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the makeup and brushes. They'll start off your perfect makeup collection, and they're all super affordable and accessible. So without further ado, let's get into this back to school makeup routine. But before I do, be sure you are subscribed to this channel, have that bell notification clicked on so you're notified whenever I upload, and also be sure to like and comment down below telling me what grade you're going to be starting this school year. I just started my sophomore year and I'm super excited, so I would love to know what you guys are starting. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so I have 10 minutes on the clock. I'm about to press start and I'll have 10 minutes to do this makeup routine for you guys. Okay, you guys see, I just started. Okay, let's get into it. I have all my products sitting right next to me. So first off, I'm gonna start off with primer. And I use the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. This is almost done, so I'm just gonna, wow, I put way too much. Oh gosh. This is what happens when you're in a rush in the morning, stuff gets messy, and you just have to be okay with it. Okay, next off, I'm gonna go in with my go-to drugstore foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have mine in the shade 370 Deep Bronze. And this just gives me a really beautiful, oh my god, this is taking forever to come out of the pump. Come on, don't they know I'm late to class? Like, fam. Sometimes it's your own makeup products that be against you. Okay, I put way too much on the back of my hand. You do not need this for an everyday makeup routine, but since I poured it, your girl got to use it. Okay, I'm taking way too long to blend it. Okay, so next I'm going in with my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I have mine in the shade Deep Cocoa. Just put a little bit under the bags because it is super early and my body is not yet used to waking up at 7 a.m. anymore. But we have to get used to that. For now, we have under eye bags, and that is why we have concealer. So next I'm gonna go in with my blush, which is my cream blush, and it is my well used and loved e.l.f. cream blush palette. I'm gonna dip into the corally and pink shades just to give myself a really nice natural flush. I know it looks super intense, but it blends in really easily. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I have mine in the shade 35 Deep. And I'm gonna use this just to set the center portions of my face. Oh my gosh, okay. Things are falling out here. And to set the perimeter of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony. I use this powder literally anytime I do makeup. It just helps make my face look really even and brings back the color to my face. So this is a must. And sometimes if I really have no time and I have to do like a 30-second makeup routine, I'll just put this on my face. And then now I'm gonna hop into my Black Radiance True Complexion Powder Contour Kit. And this has like a bunch of shades that I can get some easy use out of. Contour, bronzer, highlight, but I'm gonna go into the contour and bronzer and mix them together. But this just chisels my face out and just provides a little bit of depth. Okay, and because this is a quick and easy tutorial, you need products that you can get multi-use out of. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into both of these powders once more. And I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow. And that'll just provide some easy depth to my eyes for those quick and easy days. Just a one eyeshadow look, really. And I'll even go ahead and take this shade and run it underneath my eyes as well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rose Gold e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow and just put that right in the center of my lid. And spread that out a little bit with my finger just to have like a really simple shimmer and glow. I'm gonna attempt to do my brows really, really quickly because, again, like I said, late to school. Just brush those out real quick. And I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade Deep Brown. Now I'm going to take the Essence Brow Gel and just quickly brush through my hairs. And it'll just give a little bit of added volume. My Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter and build it up as much as possible onto my e.l.f. highlighting brush, because when you have a more natural, easy makeup look, the highlight is what's really going to make it pop. And do y'all see that? I'm just wondering if you see that. I don't know why I'm trying to flex when I have 10 minutes. Show y'all again on this side, just in case you missed it. Bada bing, bada boom. Honestly, period. Same highlight. And just make the nose pop a little bit. I have no clue how I'm doing on the time, but I'm just living my best life and keeping going. Pop. Go ahead and use my Avon Big and False Mascara. And really wiggle that between my lashes, because when you have a super simple makeup look, it's the lashes that are really gonna give that drama. So layer that on. Okay, you guys, so we're down to about 1 minute and 30 seconds. I still need to do my setting spray. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Matte Magic setting spray. Oh my gosh. Quickly go in with my Black Radiance Lip Sculptor. And that'll just be like my lip liner. My NYX Butter Gloss. Oh my god, I'm running out of this. It's so pretty. Oh wow, I'm really, okay. Sis is really running out of this. Okay, there we go. Now that I have my lip done, I think I am officially done with this routine, and I have like 5 seconds to spare. Let the time drain out. Yep. So that was my 10-minute makeup routine. I'm actually super proud of myself that I was actually able to get that to 10 minutes. I was a little bit worried there. Things were falling, things were happening. And that's literally what happens every morning, especially when you're in a rush. The whole world falls apart. So please let me know down below if you guys are going to try this routine out and if you found this helpful. Also let me know if you use any of the products that I do in my affordable 10-minute makeup routine. Also let me know if you would like to see a high-end version of this video. I have high-end products I can substitute in for any of these products. So if you guys are high-end beauty lovers, you're a little bit more on the bougie side, I can definitely do a 10-minute makeup tutorial for y'all as well. Before I'm late to school, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification down below. Also be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed or you found it entertaining. If I made you smile at any point in this video, leave a like down below. And I know I'm late to school, but you got some time, so be sure you head over to this video and go check it out. I'm sure you're gonna find it super entertaining and you're gonna like it. Also, I'm gonna have the subscription button pop up on the screen as well, just to remind you once again to subscribe to my channel. As always, see you guys next time. Bye.